Carlos is saying, I assume green is earth, ground, red, heat, or so. I know Google has photos of them. Yeah, Carlos, great question. The thing is, you always want to go with that first intuitive hit, okay? One of the topics I teach is how to interpret your dreams using your psychic gifts, right? So what I tell my students when you get up to that lesson, throw that dream book out the window, right? Forget everything you learn on Google. Literally, you want to trust. You want to learn how to trust your own psychic abilities. You want to learn how to trust your intuition, okay? And it's very similar to like when someone calls you or someone you think of someone, and then 5 minutes later they text you, right, or call you. Like, how does that work, right? And in that moment, right, you just kind of really get that you weren't thinking about it in that moment, right? It just kind of came to you, okay? So when these things just kind of come to you, okay, that's the information to trust, okay? Now, when that happens, it's easy to second guess all that. Does that make sense? How many, go ahead and type in the comments if you tend to second guess everything, right? Like you're second guessing your gifts, and that's why you even got a copy of my book in the first place, right? Um, so yeah, that's how you learn how to read that. So for you, Carlos, in particular, I'm just looking at Earth is Earth ground. It could be, okay. You just kind of check in with your own intuition, and you ask, hey, does that make sense for me in this moment for that particular color or picture, okay? And one day green might be about healing for you, okay? The next moment, maybe green represents a green Christmas tree, right? So I don't want you to think like it's fixed, okay? It's not a fixed thing. It's literally just like in the example I gave you earlier, right? You might tune into a radio station, but you still don't know what song is going to play through it, okay? And in your case, you tune to the green. Well, green is a frequency. It's like a radio station. But it might be a light green, might be a dark green, might be a faded green, might be a green with a lot of static around it. Okay. So in that moment, you'll get different messages. Okay.